Yes, yes, yes. Standing right here on the corner of Nevins and Flatbush Avenue here in Brooklyn. If you've been following what's going on, downtown Brooklyn don't look like how it used to be before. That's the tallest building down in Brooklyn, literally. And let's take a look. And of course, you know, construction never done. Okay, let's come closer to the square. I'm in this little square here. And then you know this project is going on here. Still in construction. Construction never done. Oh, McDonald's still there on the corner. McDonald's still there on the corner. And okay, so the pharmacy is still there so far. And yep, another day in New York City, another day in Brooklyn. See, they're moving construction supplies there. They tear down that over there on the corner there. They tear down that dental place that was there, and they're gonna be building something. I'll be back. That's just a little update from downtown Brooklyn. 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 Let's get a clear shot of this project. Still working on the top. You can see. Let's zoom up there. We're still working on the top. I'll be back. Advert Vista. Tutanana. Bye bye bye.